Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dian Rahayu. Student register number 2103011020. On this occasion, I want to present my presentation Ijaro. What is Ijaro financing? Also known as Ijaro. An Islamic finance technique used to finance the acquisition of assets on terms compliant with Sharia. In an Ijaro transaction, the financing party purchases property, equipment, or other asset leased by its client and then leases it to the client for a rental fee. Some Ijaro transaction give the client leasing the right but not the obligation to purchase the assets at or before the end of the lease term. An Ijaro transaction differs from a conventional lease transaction in the creating obligation. For example, the obligation to maintain and insure the asset cannot be shifted to the client or lessee. To mitigate the risks associated with ownership of the asset, the lender typically enters into a service agreement with the client or lessee, under which the client or lessee agrees to maintain the asset, including obtaining insurance and conducting repairs. How does Ijaro work? In an Ijaro agreement or lease agreement, the financier purchases a property on behalf of a client and then leases it back to the client. In return, the client makes agreed rental payments with the view of starting legal ownership of the property once the payment terms have been met. In the meantime, the client enjoys full rights and access to the property during the Ijaro or rental period. What is rules of Ijaro? Ijaro or Islamic leasing is a contract whereby the owner of something transfers its use to another person of an agreed period and at an agreed consideration. The subject of Ijaro must have a valuable use. Therefore, things having no unsur at all cannot be given on Ijaro. As the purpose of the Ijaro assets remains in the ownership of the leaser, all the liabilities emerging from the ownership shall be borne by the leaser, but the liabilities savable to the use of the property shall be borne by the lessee. The period of Ijaro must be determined in clear terms. Lessors cannot use the Ijaro asset for any purpose other than the purpose specified in the Ijaro agreement. If no such purpose is specified in the agreement, the lessee can use it for whatever purpose it is used in the normal course. However, if he wishes to use it for an abnormal purpose, he cannot do so unless the lessee allows him in express terms. The lessee is liable to compensate the lessor for every harm to the Ijaro asset caused by any misuse or negligence on the part of the lessee. The Ijaro asset shall remain in the risks of the lessor throughout the Ijaro period in the sense that any harm or loss caused by the factor beyond the control of the lessee shall be borne by the lessor. A property jointly owned by two or more persons can be given on Ijaro basis, and the rental shall be distributed between all the joint owners according to the provision of their respective shares in the property. A joint owner of an asset can give an ijaro basis his proportionate share to his core share only and not to any other person. It is necessary for a valid ijaro that the ijaro assets is fully identified by the parties. What are the types of ijaro? Number 1, operating ijaro. Ijaro tasihiliyah. Operating ijaro, an owner of a property leases it to others for a specific period. The ownership of the leased property remains with the owner of the leased owner. For example, an Islamic bank could have some properties or assets on its books for lease. These properties are still remain on the bank books at the end of ijaro. Typical, this operating lease is not preceded by a promise by the owner to sell it to the leaser. Next, financial ijaro. Ijaro muntahiyah bitamlik. This is modern form of ijaro that has been created following the evaluation of Islamic banking and finance. It constitutes a form of ijaro in which ownership is transferred to the leaser at the end of a specific period. Example of ijaro. For example, someone paid his motorbike to a bank to get a loan. The right to use the motorbike was transferred to the bank, but not ownership. After the customer pay off the credit, the right to use the motorbike returns to the customer. Thank you very much for attention. I'm sorry for some mistake delays. I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.